We have now talked about why the form of a cell is important for its function. We'll now look at the parts of the cell and talk about their form as well as their function. And so we'll start with the outside and work our way in. The outside of a cell is made of something. It's made of what's called a lipid bilayer. If you look at the word layer, you might see bi, and you should know that that means two. So 2 layers. What are these layers made of? These layers are made of 2 layers of lipids. Here's one layer here, and here's the other layer. You'll notice that there are some other things embedded in those layers. These purple things are proteins that do things like allow certain chemicals, or nutrients to move in and out. They can also help to anchor receptors. These yellow things are carbohydrates that help to make the cell have an address. We've talked about that already too. Lipid bilayers are 2 layers of fat lipids. There's 2 parts to these. There's the inside part, which is known as fatty acids, and the outside part, which is known as glycerol. These 2 parts have different properties and therefore different functions. They sandwich together automatically in what's known as a spontaneous reaction. That means that no energy is required for these layers to form.